to GeoCave. My name is Asha, I'm a geologist and I live in Norway. On this channel I will talk about anything geology related. I'll focus on new articles in the field of geology, old articles which have significant value for how we view the earth, or my rock collection. So if you find this interesting, hit the subscribe button, like and comments. Today we will talk about carbon storage. With the environmental issues we have today, carbon storage is a solution that shouldn't be underrated. It is capturing carbon dioxide before it hits the atmosphere and transporting and storing it for centuries or millennia. There are three main groups of geological carbon storage which we will talk about today. So grab a cup of tea or a cup of coffee and let's see what's in the cave today. So whether or not coal is suitable for CO2 storage depends on three different issues. First, the technical issue, second, the economically issue, and the third one is the regularity issue. The technical limitation for coal refers to coal's permeability and absorption properties. Coal is a polymer-like substance, and when it's in contact with a gas, CO2, like CO2, it swells up, and this of course affects its permeability. Also, carbon dioxide works as a plasticizer for coal, which changes its structure from glassy and brittle to rubbery and plastic. The economical issue is whether or not you want to use the coal for mining coal, so, or if you want to use it for CO2. So that's the economic issue. And the regularity issue is, for example, if there is a protected area of groundwater, aquifer nearby. So yeah, so that's coal. Storage capacity in deep saline aquifers depends on various of trapping mechanisms which operate in a complex and interdependent and time-dependent way. We will just mention some of them today. We have that stratigraphic and structural trap is one of them. Then you have the the residual gas traps, and we have the solubility trap, and lastly but not least, the mineral traps. So all these work together, and yeah, I can go in depth in how they function if that's in another video, but it's a complex system for saline aquifers, and yeah, So the simplest of all to estimate capacity of CO2 storage is oil and gas reservoirs. Opposite of aquifers and coals, it is discrete rather than continuous. This meaning that the properties for calculating the capacity of CO2 storage can be summed up, and the properties is like is like the temperature, the pressure, and yeah, what more? Porosity and rock volume and so on. So yeah. So the fundamental assumption made calculating capacity of CO2 storage in oil and gas reservoirs is that the volume occupied by the hydrocarbons is available for CO2 storage. Also, another assumption is that when you inject the gas, you can get the pressure up to original or virgin pressure it had before. So these are the two assumptions. So thank you for watching this video, and next time it will be a surprise. I'm not sure yet what I will talk about, but anyways, that's it for this time. Thank you for watching so far, and I hope you have a rocky day.